Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on ICICI Prudential. Our analyst maintains buy rating on ICICI Pru with a price target of Rs 920. Higher APE growth is leading to market share gains. Focus on creating multi-product, multi-channel distribution, reducing dependence on the parent bank, etc. will likely help to sustain healthy growth going forward. Management continues to guide for higher than industry APE growth, driven by faster growth in proprietary channels such as agency and direct. VNB margins are expected to remain range-bound. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 2 times its FY25 and 1.8 times FY26 embedded value per share. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.